Last year at the North South, I think this year it's called the Vida Clava.
Hmm.
I watched Vihan Pretorius and I pegged him as probably more talented. I know it's crazy,
Hmm.
but I pegged him as more talented than his brother, Luandre, because how can anyone be more talented than Luandre? Luandre is doing things that no other 19-year-old is doing. But when I looked at Vihan, I thought, Skid is Skid is very, very, very good. What do you think of him and who else is coming through from Afis?
I actually rate him at the same level, CS. I think we spoke about this before. Uh, we Hannes and I, our boss Hannes Ninaber, we have quite a saying that the younger brother is always the better one. So it's just a little bit of an inside joke. But I do rate Vian very highly, and I think everybody's seen him as a batter. He's a left-handed batter like his brother. Not quite as destructive yet, but he's a very good stroke maker, and it's nice to watch him when he gets going. But I think this year with the ball, he's been amazing. He's he's snapped up over 12 wickets already in the league. He's a very clever bowler. Speaking to Piet Cronje, his coach and director of cricket at Office, um, he's actually one of those guys who can pitch up and decide, coach, I'm bowling off spin today, and he'll take wickets bowling that as well. But alongside him at Office, we actually have Christian Linder, who's grade 9, batting at 3 for the first team. So um, that that on its own is something amazing. And then looking at him the past weekend against Waterkloof, scoring a 79, a match-winning 79, was was unbelievable to see a grade 9 boy scoring 79 against one of the top cricket schools in South Africa.